Hi friends, good afternoon. I am Dr. Rita Gandhi, a nutritional consultant, naturopath, and I am a Grand Reiki master. I am a healer and I teach zero oil cooking also. Today I am taking you to a journey of inhalation. Inhalation is called also a steam taking. Steam can be taken for glowing of your skin. Steam can be taken for your sinus problems, to solve the sinus problems, or sometimes to solve the adashisi also, and also for the cleaning of your chest and blood vessels. So first we'll go for the cleaning of your face with to glowing condition. So take a pan, add 2 glasses of water, let it boil, adding either lemon slices, either orange skin, either mosambi slices also. Add little bit of haldi in it. Cover the lid, let the water boil. After that take steam inhalation and then wash your face with cold water with adding rose water also. Either you can add some any flavor you like it. This will help you do this twice a week. For the sinus problem, to solve adashisi problem, take 2 glasses of water in a pan, boil it, add cabbage leaves. This cabbage leaves has some power in it to help to solve the problem of your sinus. Add in it a pinch of haldi. This will help you to open, and infection or any other thing is there in your body, it will go out. So take inhalation for this by your nose for 5 minutes, and after that you wipe your face with some water. Now the third one is for the corona. It says that when virus stuck into your chest, you cannot breathe. So the breathing problem has to be solved. If you take inhalation from your nose, this will not help you as much as you take from your mouth. So what to do? Take 2 glasses of water in a pan, boil it, adding in it 5 to 6 pieces of cloves, 3-4 pieces of cinnamon, 1 piece of elaichi, half teaspoon of ginger paste, and half teaspoon of haldi in it. Take this inhalation and then not with your nose. You have to take inhalation as you know, you cover your head with the towel or some bedspread or some other cloth like that. Whatever you have, you can take it with your keeping your napkin also for that. But inhalation, this type of inhalation is to be taken only through mouth. Ladies must have remembered that when they were pregnant and after having a cesarean, nurses used to come with that hookah bottle. That was, they said that you take it from your mouth. So here also we'll do it from that steam to be inhaled from your mouth. So how we will do it? Cover the head with your towel and take your inhalation like take a deep breath, again do it. So steam will go from your mouth to inside. So here in the throat also, if it is chopped up, it will clear your blood vessels, it will clear your esophagus, it will clear everything, and you will feel better. So do this thrice a day for nearly 4 to 5 days a week. 4 to 5 days. Okay. So thank you very much for listening to me. I am so glad, and again I am thanking you.